my channel FAB Fairy Art Blast. So in this video, as you can see, the background is pretty normal. We just have this curtain here and nothing else. So yes, you might can assume, and you must have read the title, we are going to decorate the background, and the theme that I have chosen is Christmas. So guys, as I said that I have done something like in advance. So first thing that I have completed is this Christmas bells. And here it is written Merry Christmas. If you can read, I hope so. Well, I have made a short video on it, so if you want to know how I made it, so I'll just put that link in the description box so you can check it. And yes, the first thing is this, and then I have planned something to do and I have done it halfway. So here we have some boxes, which is small boxes, which is completely empty. Only this one is filled. I'm just going to make it empty. Then we have some papers like these of different sizes to cover these empty boxes, and we'll just decorate those to give it a look like gift. And then we are going to put it here after this. So if we like it, then here we have some gifts, and maybe just do a little bit more here. I don't know, I haven't planned anything else than this, so we'll see after it. So yeah, let's begin and get into this video. The gift wrapping is done, and this is the gift number 1. Then it is the gift number 2, which we actually done it before, and then first, second, and then this one is the third one. It kind of look weird, but still it is nice. And yeah, we are just going to put it somewhere here, and beside it we are just going to put the sketch of that what was that, Christmas bells. Yeah, so we are just going to put that sketch here. Then we are going to put these gifts, and yeah, so the table work is quite done. And if I feel that we need a little bit more things, then we'll just make it later. So yeah, that's it for this portion of this video, and now let's see the next day of it. Guys, so it's currently the next day today, and today we have something more to do, which I'm just going to hang at this place. Yeah, so first of all we have some cardboard, one big and two small. Then we have these papers, like again one big and two small, and I have made some designs onto it. So these are those designs, and what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to paint over first onto this, and then we'll stick this paper onto this, and then going to hang it here. made it a little simple, not so many colors, and I let the background be white because this color is dark, so it will go with the white color, and yeah, it will also show some simplicity and decency. So yeah, that was that. And to hang it above there, I have one thread on all of these three, and yes, like by using these threads we are just going to hang it here, and that's what I have planned for this portion. So this portion is done, then this portion is done, and now I'm thinking that should I do something here or not. Till now I am still confused, and yeah, we'll see it tomorrow that we have to do something at this portion or not, and yeah, we'll think it later. So that's it for this portion of the hey guys, so it's currently the next day yet, and today what I have thought for this portion, like this portion, is to have some balloons here. I have green balloons because again it's Christmas and the theme is Christmas, so it will show some kind of Christmas tree, because I'm not going to put any Christmas tree here. I can, but I'm not going to. So here it will be green, you know, green balloons. Then we'll have some hangings, wall hangings, or maybe curtain hangings because it's curtain. Then here we'll have that Christmas bells mandala art, and then some gifts, and maybe I have one more thing, and which is this cat, which we might can put here or not. We'll see it while arranging them, then we'll decide on what more we need to put. Okay guys, so now everything is done and everything is at this place, and I really want to give you a walk through everything because it's just looking very nice. It's just giving a Christmas vibe. Okay, so that was that, and now we just have to put everything in their place. So let me quickly do it, and we will meet after that. As you can see here, we have balloons, wall hanging, or you might can say curtain hanging, a drawing, these gifts, empty gifts, then a little, you know, candle just to make it look a little more better. So yeah, finally everything is done, and I think it's looking pretty good, and you might can replicate this idea, you might can convert it into your idea. It was just an idea, and I hope you like this video. If yes, then please give the video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because every day I'll post a thing. I mean, every time I'll post a thing, it would be related to art and craft and DIYs and decorations and sketches, paintings. So yes, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification. And yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video.